We're here, Trader Joe's. So I don't come to Trader Joe's very often, but it is one of our favorites. It's kind of a drive for us, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I buy at Trader Joe's, some of our favorites, the must buys when it comes to some healthy foods, because they have a lot of delicious healthy foods. So I'm gonna go in here. This one, I'm gonna have to wake her up. And this one, you ready to go?
Okay.
Yeah, I know you're ready. Just had to do a quick diaper change. Hey, cool girl. Cool girl. Oh yeah. Bella, she loves her Christmas lights. Hey, we should get a shopping cart though. We got a lot to buy. Come on. All right. Unfortunately, only one of them fit in these tiny Trader Joe's carts. Yeah, I know. You already see delicious stuff. So, yeah. She's got to stay real close. Now, if you live in the United States and you've gone to Trader Joe's, you already know. These are small grocery stores. They're not very big at all. Hence why even the carts are super small. It's all good. That's one of the reasons why Trader Joe's is really cool. They have everything you would ever need. They just don't have very many brands. Yeah, banana. Yogurt, for example. They only have the Trader Joe's yogurt brand. They don't have Yoplait or any other brands. Oftentimes they do have Greek yogurt, or in this case, look, Icelandic style, but still Trader Joe's. Icelandic style, but still Trader Joe's. But they do almost always have organic as well. Basically, just like the regular grocery stores, there's a private label, but Trader Joe's is 100% private label. But once in a while, you do find other types of brands, like if they can't private label it. Yeah, that. You want that? What do you want? Okay, so even this right here, normally you see it in the more popular brands, but they got it. Wild berry smoothie. Do you want this for the car?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta put it in the cart and buy it, okay? Even the butter, Trader Joe's butter, but guess what? They got the Kerrygold, but we don't need it because we already bought it at Costco, right?
No.
Hey, sit down, please. Come on, come on. Hey, put your foot through. Come on, there you go. Yeah, all right, come on. Might need to strap you down with this seatbelt. Okay, when we're here, we almost always get the fruit leather. Should we get one of these?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You can hold that if you want. Here, let's see. Baby Bella too? Trader Joe's fruit leather buttons. There you go. So even their produce section is much smaller because there's just not as much room here. But they got everything you need, just not as many options. One thing we always get is some kind of salad. Love their salads. I usually get this one for Judy, Southwest salad. And I think this one has, oh, no chicken? Oh, no chicken. But I know Judy will like this one. Let's get one of those.
Peppermint baking chips.
Oh, wow, thank you. There you go, there you go. There you go. Yeah, we'll hold that, okay? So one of the things is they do have free samples here, but just one spot. And today, these girls got lucky. It's like some kind of chocolate. Is that good? You like that? All right. You like that too? Grab this one. Civic salad with chicken. Sounds good. Okay, so I know I bought this the other day, but the girls will definitely go through this. Eat this. Hey, you want some oranges for at home? I think so. Here, let's put that in the cart too. All right, so not unique to Trader Joe's, but I always like adding chives to my scrambled eggs, so I'm gonna go ahead. I always like to grab them back. They're usually more fresh. For scrambled eggs, omelets. Oh, baby carrots? No, we have carrots at home. Even though they don't have a huge selection, when it comes to tomatoes, they got a lot. I usually get these right here. Sugar plum grape tomatoes. So one thing that is really amazing about Trader Joe's, not only do they have a good deal on cheese, they have a good selection too. I mean, they got it all. If you want to do charcuterie, this is the place to come. Now I'm not gonna do charcuterie, I'm gonna do nachos. So I'm looking for a specific type of cheese. Look at all these different kinds of goat cheese. If you like goat cheese, this is the place to go. And here's all the charcuterie or the cured meats. So they do have the Trader Joe's brand, but also they do have once in a while other brands that they carry. Okay, I had to put this one in the cart. She's a little bit too big now. Anyways, great place to get wine and booze, anything. Good prices too. Okay, right here, cherry wine, and look at the price. $5. That is so crazy. When me and Judy lived together in the condo, this is the wine we used to get. I can't believe it's still $5. And it's not like the greatest wine, but for $5, we'll take it. I'm not kidding, this girl wants to get out of here so bad. She's pushing the cart towards the cashier stands, which I think is kind of funny. I've probably vlogged this a million times, but we love our pasta sauces. This is our go-to right now. The tomato basil marinara. They used to have a mushroom one, but I don't see it anymore. Well, this one's also pretty good too. Vodka sauce, if you want a quick kind of like cream type of sauce. Bella, what you doing? Come here, Bella. Hey, I need you to follow me. I know you want to check out, but we got to get a couple more things. Okay, bye-bye. Hey, can you stay over here? Here, do you want to hold this? You want to hold this? No? Okay. All right, some of the best finds. Oh, you want me to hold? You want me to hold you? You want to go back to a mommy? Here, okay, we will. Some of the best finds are in the frozen section. Delicious, delicious. All this is delicious. Highly recommend it. This is kind of a handful today. You just want to run out the energy. Okay, right here, I have tried this. This is delicious, the Mandarin orange chicken. Let me just show you one of our favorite things about here. Right here, the mushroom medley. It is so delicious. Just throw in some cream with this after you cook a steak. Also, their hash browns, must buy. Last time I bought about 4 of these. I'll just buy 2 this time. Okay, right here, if you love blueberries, these organic wild blueberries. They're a smaller one, but it's perfect for smoothies. Very, very sweet, very flavorful. Okay, so back in the day, they used to have this thing called cookie butter, which is those cookies they give you on the plane. But they have a cookie butter ice cream. Now this, bomb, you definitely gotta try this one. It's a cold brew coffee and boba. Huh. So one of the cool things about Trader Joe's, they have really interesting flavors like the gingerbread ice cream. So like holiday ones. Candy King JoJo's ice cream. Seasonal. Oh, here we go. Black tea and bubba. Basically a bubble tea. Okay, thank you for being so patient. Kind of. Ah! Gotta grab some green onions. Just ran out. Oh. These are green onions.
No, it's not.
Yeah, these are green onions.
No.
Green ones, yeah.
Oh.
What you saw were regular onions over there. Those are regular onions. I do like to make popcorn, so I'm gonna grab a bag of these and make some Parmesan popcorn for us, and then regular buttered popcorn for the girls. Hey, can you hold this? You want some popcorn tonight?
No.
Oh, okay, put it in the cart. Leave that alone. We don't need this, okay? Uh-oh, it's okay. Come on. Remember what I said about having their own private label on everything? Even Nutella. This is their Nutella, or cocoa almond spread. Okay, that's not what I thought it was. Usually it's hazelnut, but they don't have it. Any kids that grew up in San Diego or SoCal, you remember this? From the ice cream man? Chili spice mango. This is a dried mango with chili all over it. Pop-Tarts. This is the Trader Joe's branded Pop-Tarts.
I like that one.
Yeah, you like these ones? Should we get one of these? Grab one. There you go. Thank you. Okay, give it to your sister. There you go. Hey, be gentle with that, okay? Hello. She's just standing there. Hey, ready to go home? Me too. Unfortunately, my favorite snack was not to be found. My favorite snack here is Parmesan chips. Parmesan cheese turned into chips. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? What's in that look? She's such a character. But yeah, they had these Parmesan chips. Just so good. And supposedly it's healthy. It's the first place I ever saw Parmesan chips. Now they're pretty popular, especially I think with keto. It's a popular snack to have. They got their snack. I usually give them something because it's pretty far drive home compared to the other grocery stores. Thank you for listening to Daddy. You girls were so good for me when Bella decided to go dancing, huh? Baby back dancing? Yeah. All right. Okay, so today's bill, $43. But that's because I didn't buy everything I showed you. Because we have plenty of food right now. I just thought, hey, I'm on daddy duty today. I haven't gone to Trader Joe's in a while. Stock up on some of those things. And then tonight we're gonna probably do a movie night, so I'm gonna do popcorn. Let's see if there's something daddy can snack on. Well, we're driving. Oh, there's nothing. I didn't really think about that. Dang, I should have got a snack. There was that Parmesan chips that I normally would snack on, but anyways, time to go back home. I'll talk to you guys later.